me fix the microphone and make sure that it works. Okay, hey, the Portrait here. So I haven't made a video in a while. I had a bunch of projects that kept me busy, but recently I got most of them done. So as you probably know that I get a lot of requests, ask me to draw this, draw that, and generally, as much as I like to do all of them, I just don't have the time. So, but once in a while I see the same name keep popping up, like the same requests keep popping up. And one of them is this guy called Dimash, or something like that. It's a singer apparently from Kazakhstan, and I didn't pay much attention to it until one of my artist friend also mentioned him to me. Now that caught my attention. So now I'm just like, okay, alright, it's a singer, right? And honestly, like, my attitude towards singers is that they are pretty much a dime a dozen these days. Like the good ones that do like cover songs. Not because it's lack skill. It's just that social media opens the floodgate, so we have access to suddenly like to all these people who can sing basically. And especially the ones that sing the cover song pretty well, they're kind of everywhere. That's my impression anyway. It's like, oh, here's another person who sings really well or in a unique way. But notice how they usually just fade away after a while. Nobody really make it big. So when I hear that now this Dimash guy is, you know, held by most vocal coaches as the best singer, or should I say vocal control, have the best voice in a sense of our times, I'm just like, yeah, okay, that's just, it's exaggeration. It's YouTube. Everything's freaking exaggerated. So because there's so many people request this guy, and because of my artist friend also recommended this guy, I'm like, alright, I'm gonna give it a shot and listen to it and see what happens. And you know how, you know, there are a lot of people that they over-exaggerate their emotions just to elicit extra attention from the fan of the singer, and that's not my thing at all. Like, if it sucks, I'm just gonna say it sucks. If it's okay, I'm gonna say it's okay. There's no participation trophy here, okay? I feel like people use words like excellent and other words too much. And also, please understand that I know absolutely nothing about singing. But then again, a great analogy I like to use is that you don't have to be a great chef to know whether the food tastes good or not. In fact, you'd probably be a better, you know, critic if you don't know much about food, because then you are much more pure in your assessment. That's just my way of saying I don't know anything about singing. However, as an artist, especially visual artist, I am very detail oriented if I want to be. So every nuance in terms of the sound that I hear, if it's something that I really like, I'll probably do a portrait or a drawing. Because this is an art channel after all. And I've said many times, art and music are very similar, right? Art is, visual art is basically the right tone, the right shape at the right spot. And music is like the right pitch, the right sound, right? Also the right tone at the right time. So they're very similar in many ways. Okay, let's get it started. Apparently I'm late to the party because I searched on YouTube and this video's been out for years, but never heard of this guy. Oh, it's a Chinese show. Okay, here we go. The Chinese version of voice? What is that? Oh, I can actually read the subtitle. Wow, it's very dramatic. Someone who is questing for help. Okay. Wait, that's French? Does he know French? He might just learn the song in French. Sounds nice. Whoa. Whoa. Go low again. Wow, that transition. Wow. Okay. Okay. Pretty good. Big lungs.
Je toujours fou d'une vie avec rien conditionné. Je crois aux zombies, tu es à ma force. Je sens quelque chose qui m'attire.
Yeah, he's not French. He's not native French. That's not. Okay, that's rock and roll head voice, right? I remember a few terms from biology. How high was that note? I have a piano in my room. That's gotta be a... He already went like 2 octaves, I think. Wow! He did not just do a run there, no. Actually no, let me go back to the male opera. There we go. I see like a picture. Let me hear that again. I'm not gonna play it on video. In the headphones. Okay, I just listened to the song about twice more. The I do have like a piano like here. I don't know much about music, but I do know like something about it. And it sounds a little too smooth. Is this live? This is live? I don't want to comment yet because I'm not sure if everything is legitimately real. I get the feeling it might be. If it is, I mean the range and male and female and the control and the different type of voice and tone. No.